this is DJ Gavin, and welcome back to the Unity editor. So, first off, before we get started, I'm a bit tired if you can't already tell. I fell a little bit behind on sleep, and I'm heading to bed a little bit, quite a bit early tonight, so I won't be able to do too much of a video. The Overwatch video I had planned for today, the audio was desynced along with yesterday's video, but I'm not taking that down as it already is live, and I guess I just have to deal with it. So I'm going to be working on getting that fixed, and then I'll release another Overwatch video. If I can't get it fixed, I'll try and find another solution in order to record it. But anyhow, let's get into what we're doing. So, if you can't already tell by the title, this is a little bit of a work in progress game. It is not the work in progress game that I've been hinting at on all of my game forms that I'm working on. No, this is not multiplayer. No, this is not like Poor Man's FPS. This is a completely different game. So, I'm going to zoom out real quick. What we have here is just a giant plane of water. And if I hit play, we start to generate terrain. Everything's procedural, all done during runtime. Sometimes it does that where the terrain's details don't load all the way, just have to replay. For some odd reason. I don't know why, it's probably the asynchronous thing. That's probably loud, I'll turn that audio off. So, the entirety of the terrain is based on Perlin noise. So, anything above a set height is a certain color. So down there, the water's a lot bluer than it was when you first looked at it, and that's because the terrain underneath it is blue. See? So, these are the rocks, quote unquote, that are in the game. You can collect them as such. You just walk up to them. Ignore this texture glitch. This is an issue with Photoshop exporting and not playing nice with my GIMP files. But if I click on it, you can't do anything with it yet, but it tells you what is in this slot and what kind of and what amount of items you have. You have a very Minecraft-like inventory, 3 down, 9 across, along with the hotbar. I currently am using that because it's something I know, and I know how it works, so I can develop kind of like it. Soon, the next update I'm working on is having a counter in the bottom corner to tell you how much there is, and also making it so you can click it and then reposition it, and then there's like things like right click, which will split the stack in half, or you can might implement dragging, but as of this point I just want to get it to work where you can transfer and split stacks. And then I'll add a small crafting system, and I'm not quite sure where I'll go from there. I do know I want to probably add in a very small, simplistic building system where you can build like a little hut based off of purely already generated parts like Arc, where you have foundations and walls and such, in a snapping like system. I'll look into that, but I don't know. That's what I got for you guys today. Sorry there's no game today because I'm just a little bit too tired and I have to get to bed. So, hope you guys liked the video about the little update about what I'm working on. I'm working on 2 other projects at the moment. One is a platformer built in purely C#, nothing like Unity or anything, just an OpenGL game. And the other is my secret surprise that I've been hinting at Don't know what I'm going to be doing with that further though, since everything else is kind of taking priority over it at the moment, but I'll be working on it here and there. The game works at the moment, just could use some polishing and other such things. It would be much easier to finish that game with other people helping me, since the entire game is, how do I say this? I got the main works of it working, but it doesn't look nice or have good networking code. It just works. So I'll be working on improving everything over the next little bit. Oh, and I have to show you this. Once one stack is filled up, you start filling another one. And all of my items that you can pick up and craft with and such, you can specify options for them. So for the rock, it has a max stack size of 64. That should not be saying it's a tool. Yep, okay. I can give it a name, I can give it an item ID, so that way when I'm saving it I can have multiple things with the same name, like different types of wood, like how Minecraft has acacia wood and everything that turns into the same, that is the same thing but just looks different. I can set a different ID. Well, I can set the same ID. No, well, I can have the same base name, and then I can have an underscore and then the type of that base. I haven't added anything to deal with the item ID, it just is there for demonstration purposes at the moment. And then you can specify a texture, and so like on this pickaxe, I have a stack size of 1. It currently doesn't have a durability, I haven't set that up yet. And as you can see, its name is pickaxe, but its item ID is pick_1. So first tier. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you like what content I do. Not this. This is not exactly my best content ever, but something for you guys to watch today. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and subscribe if you like what I do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.